Hey guys, so today it's gonna kind of be like a little video because I'm eating and I'm trying to do something with my life right now because I just got back from I got back from gymnastics a few hours ago, but I'm tired. My dog, he's going crazy. My mom's in a boot, so it's kind of hard. It's been a couple weeks since I posted a video, so yay for me, not posting a video every week. But then so I'm going to start. I've already eaten. Well, I'm eating ramen noodles right now, so. I believe this is roasted chicken. Let me know in the comments below if you like ramen noodles. This is what they look like. Oh, dropped my retard. Sorry. So that was really good. Really good. Really good. Really good. So make sure to check out my Musical.ly channel. It is called Josie0207. It's really cool and it's really fun, so go check it out. I will put that in the description box for that, and make sure this is not a sponsored video, not at all, but make sure you go check out Musical.ly, download it if you do have Musical.ly. If you don't have Musical.ly, make sure to download it. It is completely free, so go ahead and download it. I will put it in the description box. Bye.